Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from, and I don't know if you can see this is from Ipsy and this is the Glam Bag X. I have been so hyped for this. The advertising has been hyping this up for months. Patrick Ta is apparently curating this box. If you don't know who Patrick Ta is, I'll post a little blurb somewhere here or here at the end of the video. I think this replaced the Ipsy Ultimate Bag because I think that disappeared. I don't see it. Now I see something called Glam Bag X. So I'm just gonna show you how the box looks real quick. It says Glam Box here. I'm kind of excited. I just, can you? I just don't want to show my address here, but do you see where it says Glam Bag X? There we go. All right then. All right, check this out. This is like a newsletter, okay? And it says Ipsy Glam Bag X on the very top. As you scroll down a bit, there's Patrick Ta. It says expert artistry is the article. Patrick Ta is putting the power of makeup in your hands. And I see it has Halsey in the back. She recently announced that she was coming out with her own line of makeup. And then it gives pics in here as to what Patrick picked for the X bag. I'm loving the photography in here. It's very clear as to what you're getting. This is the stuff that's inside. I see a red, it looks like a bag, echoing the Glam Bag. Isn't this pretty? And it says, kiss and make up. I think this is one of the selections I chose. I think you were allowed up to like 3 selections to include with what you were already getting, and this was one of them. I thought this bag looks so cute, looks even cuter in person. But this is a makeup bag. Kiss and Makeup, and it has the Ipsy logo right there. This is from Complex Culture, which is part of the Ipsy umbrella. And this is their Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. What? Did I select this? A facial bar massager? Let's see what it looks like, shall we? Okay, no, I didn't, did I order this? I don't recall ordering this. But it's a very nice surprise. I think it came with the set. Look at it. It looks like a razor. It's like one of the old-fashioned razors, but I believe this is something that you use for those who believe in this. It helps supposedly with the lymphatic liquid that may form under the skin and the face if you're feeling bloated in the morning, and this is supposed to redistribute that liquid. I have posted my feelings about these sort of things and the jade roller and stuff like that. I don't know if I've done it here, but I have done it in my original blog. And I have a link to my blog somewhere here. If you don't see it here, you'll see it on my channel banner. Okay, this looks interesting. I think I ordered this. I think this was the 3rd thing that I ordered that I was allowed to choose. Yes, and that's the R&Co teacup. This is what is this? A peacholine and kombucha detox rinse. Something for the hair, I'm assuming, or for the face. It says teacup. I like that. That's interesting. I like R&Co. I have a couple of the other products and I've been liking them so far. In case you're wondering on the prices, what I've shown so far, the makeup clutch bag is $18. Okay, the R&Co is $32. Oh, here it is. The Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. This is an Ipsy exclusive, and this retails for Oh my gosh, $58. What? What? Already the box is well more than what I paid for, but I'll keep going. The next thing that I have here is from, ooh, what's this? Saints and Sinners. I already like the sound of that. And this is called Illuminati. Let's see what this bottle reads inside here. Saints and Sinners hair care. Okay, I never would have guessed. This is Illuminati Divine Shine Holographic Serum, and the cost is $27.50. And it's like a highlighter for your hair. This serum is infused with organic, light-reflecting particles and nourishing oils like coconut, olive, and jojoba oils to leave your strands looking ultra shiny and feeling so super soft and smooth. And it says to apply a few drops before heat styling to prevent your hair from thermal damage. Okay, I can like that. Never heard of the brand Saints and Sinners, but there we go, ladies and gentlemen. I wonder if this is a full-size bottle. Okay, the next thing in here is from Patrick Ta. This is my first ever piece from his collection. Here's the packaging. I'm excited. I'm not sure what this is, but we're gonna look and see in here real quick. I think this is one of his blushes. Yeah, Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. It retails for $32. Flush, fresh, lift from within skin is a Patrick Ta signature. Get the look in real life with a few sweeps of this blush across your cheeks and lids. It doubles as a shadow. Okay, the pigments are infused with light reflecting mica for a luminous glow. So just in case you were wondering, that's one of the ingredients in there. I mean, mica is a you know, kind of a standard ingredient. If it's not mica, it's talc or both. But in case you're wondering, there you go. So I just read the box. It reads, I guess the coloring, they call it She's Passionate. So that's me. Ah, yes, there it is. I don't know if you could see that. I'm gonna show you the cover. I'll try to pull it up there, but you see, ooh, I feel bad because this, I imagine it's gonna get full of thumbprints, but for now, that's etched. Very pretty. Patrick Ta blush. Okay, we're gonna open it and see how it looks. Ooh, pretty, huh? Is that gorgeous or what? And it has, I believe, his initial, the P with the T here. Very nice. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just gonna for passion, it's pretty light. She's passionate, huh? Interesting. I'm loving the mirror too. There's no overt scent. There's no flowery, perfumey scent. It just smells like makeup, like traditional makeup, if that makes sense. Okay. Oh, this is another one of those Huda Beauty. What? And this is the rose gold palette, which kind of matches the rose gold of this packaging from Patrick Ta. All right. I've never had a full-size palette like this. I have some of her smaller ones from the Obsession series, but not the oversized one. I don't think, no, I haven't, you know, bought anything. But this will be my first, I think, full palette from her. I do have a highlighter, I believe, from her. So that is what the palette looks like. Rose gold. Oh, it has a, this is so fascinating. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a little piece of film. And that's the color arrangement. No. This is from Mcgrath. What? It's so weird. I love watching the videos and I follow the company on Instagram, but I was like, I never thought that I would ever own anything from her lines just because of the price tag. But this is how it looks, and it comes in this electric blue packaging. What is this? This is an eyeliner. What? No, mascara. I was afraid to open the packaging, but I have to. Not, my curiosity has been piqued. I have to see. All right, here we go, guys. And gals. Wow. So it says Pat McGrath Labs on there. I'm not hallucinating. It's for real. This is not a drill. This is certainly not a drill. This is for real. And this is the Fetish Eyes Mascara. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It feels really thick pulling it out. The scent, it smells like a serious mascara. It smells a little bit on the glue side. It doesn't smell flowery or any case like that. And I'll show you how the brush looks. It looks like a, you know, typical kind of pipe cleaner look type of brush. It's kind of flat at the top of the applicator. This is also an Ipsy exclusive. It's $22 US, called Painted Matte Lip Color. Patrick is famous for creating super saturated lips, so we had to include this matte liquid lipstick from About Face, a new brand for everyone, everywhere, created by Halsey. So this is Halsey's line, okay? And I'm reading down here, dropping May 2021. Every quarterly limited edition Glam Bag X will be curated by one of beauty's biggest celebs. And it gives a hint. Hint, this May is going to be truly major. Okay. Is that the hint? Truly major? Don't forget to follow us on social, and the social is at Ipsy, to keep up with all the epic Glam Bag X celeb news. You don't want to miss out. And that's it right there. I'm so excited. The teaser, what I've been able to see so far from this brand, it's intrigued me. I want more. I want to see more. I want to experience more. Ipsy Glam X, take me away.